Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your autocorrect in Google Docs. So here I've already on my Google Docs file and I want to customize my auto corrections. So what you can do is you can just go to tools at the top toolbar and then here click on the preferences and here go to substitutions. And in here you can just change it or add it. For example, you can just click on this. For example, I want to add change this with this. For example, change you with whatever you like this. You can just add it in here, or you can also uh delete the correction, the auto correction, by clicking on the cross icon in here, and after that you can just click on OK to apply the changes. Okay guys, so that's all for me. That is how you can customize your auto correction in Google Docs. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye bye.